This is a quick update on my BitConnect earnings so far. I do like these videos like this, but this is getting me so excited day by day. Sometimes when I just log into my account and I refresh, and I see an extra dollar being added to it, a lot of time I used to wonder where is this money coming from, and that made me to go a little bit deep, to study the system thoroughly. Yeah, this is a system I've known for that should be since it should be since March. Yeah, since April, March. Yeah, that should be March, April when my helpline Saban told me about it. But I've been in doubt about it, that is it really going to work? Because sometimes when I begin to hear about how fast people earn, how fast people make money from BitConnect, a lot of the times I'm always in doubt, like, is this thing really going to work? But I just took this step of faith. That should be like last 2 weeks, precisely as you can see on my dashboard here, on my back office. That should be on the 7th. Yes, on the 7th of August. Today is 28th of August, as you can see here on my system time. That should be 13 days. And within 13 days, the kind of returns I've seen from this business have been awesome. It's been alarming. And I thank God because, okay, yes, at least as an internet marketer, yes, I have my Facebook page to blow it out. Yes, I've been able to do some promotions using my Facebook page. I've also been able to link up my Facebook page to my WhatsApp and been able to at least teach people about it, but not minding that. What actually make me so much confident, built my confidence a lot of the time in this business, is the fact that this company is solid. It has a really, really solid plan for the future. Number one, of recent, there's a news that just flew around about it being one of the top 30 cryptocurrency in the world. If you check on CoinMarket, one thing that we actually look out for before you choose any cryptocurrency to invest your money is that it has to be listed on CoinMarket, and not just listed. There must be at least a considerable market cap value or market demand and supply that the coin needs to possess, and BitConnect actually possesses that. It's actually is one of the top 30 cryptocurrencies in the world. You can see here from my screen, it's number 13th cryptocurrencies. So it has a great future. And aside that, too, what actually drives a coin to go that far is also its usability. And BitConnect has that using its lending platform. This lending platform is basically a concept of trading Bitcoin with USD. I particularly do that also with my Poloniex account, so I understand what the concept is all about. It's basically if you have a system, a bot, or a software like this company use, you could actually benefit from the fluctuations that occur in the daily Bitcoin USD trading volatility. At all times Bitcoin falls, at all times Bitcoin rises in a day. So the process of it falling and rising is where the profit comes out. And Bitcoin has been doing that very, very well, solidly, since I've joined them actively on the 7th of August. As you can see from my dashboard, I actually started with $100, and I was able to also refer people, and for my team, I and my team, we've been able to generate total sales of $24,540 within the space of just 13 days. That is whopping. that's alarming. Just within 13 days, we've been able to, bring this chunk of money. That's why you can see even from my level 1 down to level 7, I've been able to make some bonuses. And my bonuses is now what I've been able to also use to compound. Compounding here basically means I've been reinvesting $10, and it's very, very easy to grow your account very fast with BitConnect, because with $10 you can keep reinvesting, and as you are reinvesting daily, each of your $10 that you are reinvesting on, any amount you are reinvesting, stands on its own and also counts its own 299 days depending on the package. Other higher packages are there that maybe 239 days, 120 days, but I started on the minimum, which is $100, because I like being real. I like working with the stringent of measures I like working in a very, very hard condition, so that at least I can be able to, get out to know the real meat about a program, about an opportunity. And BitConnect have been able to show me that. So you can see my $100 within the space of just, 13 days. I've been able to grow it to, As you can see on my dashboard, I like showing everything to you so that you can see. Yes, I've been able to turn my $100 to $390. This is just in one of my accounts. I also have another account that I also built from $100 within also 13 days. From $100, I've been able to grow it to like over $410. Also from compounding, as I'm earning from investment, if I'm earning from referral bonus, I'm adding it together to grow my business, and it's been lucrative, awesome, very, very well. So a lot of people want to ask, is this company worth it? Can one actually spend push it? Yes, you can push it all the way because it's lucrative, it's awesome. They have a very solid system that is there. Fine, the bias might just be that, okay, we don't know the owners are anonymous and like that. But what I used to tell people is that for systems like this that have, a very, very solid structure on ground to make people money, the owners just need to be very, very, anonymous, so that government attacks and all these kind of things will not just come and hook them down and the system will crash. So I understand their concept. But at least from the last conference they had in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, they were able to, meet with some top leaders around the world. So that tells you that at least there are some faces, there are people behind the system, but they just decided on their own to just, be on the ground. Just like Bitcoin, all of us in the whole world also don't know the founder of Bitcoin. We just know that, okay, Satoshi Nakamoto or whatever name they call him, but we don't really know him. Why? Because he created a system that has a long-term plan, sustainability in the future, and the likes. I just started to just hide his face so that the system can, over the long run, pay for itself, and also, ensure that it lives for as long as you want. So the system is good. It's interesting. You can start with the minimum $100 and you grow it for, within the space of 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. The return will be alarming. Just give yourself like a 90 days trial. Just start with $100, which is the minimum, and see what you can do passively, even without referring anybody. You could turn it to something very big. You can see if you're just working with a fixed rate, the daily interest rate is an average of 1%, but I like working with the worst situation. That's why you can see on my screen here, I'm working with like 0.9% on average every day. So if you're having like 0.9% on average every day and you are doing your compounding, that means within 60 days, let's look at 60 days plan. Within 60 days, your $100 should have grown up to the tune of $160. And also, if you continue doing your compounding, within 90 days, your $100 should have grown to $210. So it's a good thing. That means in 3 months you will have doubled and made an extra change also on your $100. So if you now do that for like 299 days, let's see what's going to give us. Let's scroll down. You can see that's on 299 days, which is like 10 months, roughly 10 months. Your $100 should have turned to like $1,370. Where in the world would you get this? Where in the world? Just tell me, where in the world would you get this? So it's interesting. It's a good opportunity that you can actually max out and make good returns for yourself. Join us. Join my team. Let's do it all together. And be rest assured, we are going to get it all done. And we're going to make good money from Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching this. God bless you.